Hi there. So the task was to actually develop a C# MVC web-based application for which that number of days should be calculated for the input dates, date 1 and date 2. The second important factor of this task was not to use any third-party library, any default library, C#, Microsoft library, and thirdly it was the requirement that to comment out the code. Fourthly, to develop a unit test. Okay, so here is the unit test. I'll come back to it later at the very last stage of the video. So here is the controller of this application, here is the UI of this application, and here is the object class of this application. So the comments for each particular parts have been added for each particular line where needed. Okay, so here are the comments, and here are the comments as well in the green color. Okay, so here are the comments as well. So is the similar is the case with the UI part of this application. Since the comments cannot be added in this HTML sector, so I have just added the 3-line comment where needed for the above the HTML section in the eraser syntax. Here is the object class for date 1, uh, date 1 and date 2. Okay, so here are the data annotation which are needed for validation and error messaging and all. Okay, here's the unit test. Okay, so very quickly let me just run through few of the example with this for this particular application. So let's just wait. Okay, so here it comes. So this is our application, and this one is someone's third-party application. I just Google it and came through this application. We'll be using this particular application to validate our application results. So just giving a random date 0202 2020 and 01-01 2021. Let's see what the output is. Output is 334. Let's give the same data 0202. What was that? 2020, 01 2021, 2021, 334. Let's give another generic date like 11-02-20 15, and let's give it 04-08 dash sorry dash 2019. Okay, the result is 1253. Let's give the similar date there, 11-02-2025. So 02 is the day here. We have first two digit as month, and this particular application is having first two digit as day. Okay, so our month was 11-02 and 2015 was the year, and our ending date was 04 as month and 08 as date. 08 as day, 04 as month, and that year was 2019. Okay, 1253. Okay, let's take another example covering few leap years. It was this particular example was covering one leap year, which was 2016. Okay, let's take 239. Now this example should be covering a lot of leap years. Okay, 03. Let's just change the dates there, sorry, the days and months as well. Let's take month as 7 and day as 29. Calculate the days, 8893, 2907, 2907, 2015, 2015, 03, 12, 2039, 2039. Calculating 8893. Okay, so with three example I have validated you the test. Now coming, I'm stopping this particular video. Sorry, not the video. I'm stopping this debug, and I am going to run through the test. Here is my test explorer. Here is a bug of Visual Studio. Not Visual Studio, I must say it is a bug for for I think .NET version. I don't know. So here is my unit test. This is the unit test. The input date 1 is this, input date 2 is this, expected result is this. Okay, let's okay, so expected result is 1994, and here is our total days between two dates function. Here it is, total. dates between two days function. I'm passing the both of these value to this function. Okay, these values to these functions just because it is requiring there those values as an argument, and then I'm asserting if results are fail or passed. Okay, so if the results are passed, that test case should be here in the pass, and if the results are fail, it should be here in the fail. But the problem is now if I run this test, it do not either pass it, it do not either fails it, it just test run finish with zero test. It do not execute this. So as what I have tested, searched was it was a bug. So for that, I guess I still need a little more, R&D. It was working previously in the previous version, but after updating it to 2022 and the .NET framework, the latest .NET framework, I guess it is 4.7.4.8, and I am running it 4.7.2, but still it is not running on this. So little more R&D, I guess, is needed. A lot of people actually are occurring this, are occurring with this scenario on internet. So just validating few of the things, I think I can do it in just like few more hours. Thank you.